Welcome to Green Hospitality. We are glad to have you on our team. In this fast-paced digital world, it is important to protect ourselves and our company from cyber threats. In this video, we will explore some key practices and tips to keep your digital world secure. Green Hospitality, like any other company, has compliance requirements when it comes to data privacy. Failure to comply with these laws can result in fines and penalties. Additionally, data breaches and poor IT security practices can damage our company's reputation, which is crucial for maintaining trust among our stakeholders and the communities we serve. There is a common misconception that data breaches occurs because of technology-related reasons, such as viruses or malware. But in fact, according to Stanford, over 80% of data breaches were caused by human error or carelessness. This could be like leaving an unlocked computer unattended in a public place, or sending confidential documents without password protection. Another cause of breaches can be social engineering. It is as simple as calling an employee claiming to be another employee requesting company information. With all these threats present, how can we minimize the risks of our data or systems being compromised? It starts with your personal device security. 1. Make sure your devices are protected with some form of authentication, such as a password, fingerprint scan, or facial recognition. And ensure your device has a password-protected lock screen, and make sure to use it whenever you leave your computer unattended in a public place. 2. You should keep a good practice to regularly update your device's operating system or security software to ensure you have the latest security patches installed. This is important for keeping your device protected from most viruses and malwares. 3. Try to avoid connecting to unsecure Wi-Fi networks. This could be something like a random Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot you find on the street. Lastly, never open email attachments that come from people you don't know. During your time here at Green, you will be given access to softwares and tools needed for your work. Unless you have supervisor permission, you must not share the login details of our company's softwares or let anyone access them through your device. For more information, feel free to visit our Notion page. If you notice any suspicious activities on our shared softwares, such as unauthorized access or data breaches, or if you believe your device was compromised, like being hacked, lost, or stolen, please report this to your supervisor immediately and contact our administrator. More details can be found in our IT policy. It is requested that you work exclusively from Green Hospitality's Google Drive whenever possible. This is to ensure that your work is recognized by the supervisor and to prevent unauthorized people from gaining access to our data. Let's work together to make security a habit to help protect our company's data, resources, and reputation. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.